The halftime performer for Super Bowl 60 has been revealed, and it is Bad Bunny. This is his house in Los Angeles, which he purchased in 2023 for $8.8 million. This estate offers over 7,000 square feet of living space across half an acre, with a total of 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Behind private gates, up on a cul-de-sac above the Sunset Strip, the property blends luxury and privacy. In the main house, there are multiple living rooms, an office, and a chef's kitchen that opens to terraces. A guest wing adds 2 more bedrooms. The master suite includes a private balcony, city views, and a spa-like bathroom. Inside, the decor is modern, yet warm, with open layouts, vaulted ceilings, and designer finishes. Outside, the outdoor spaces feature an infinity-edge pool, lush landscaping, sweeping patios, and views that stretch to the city below. Are you a fan of Bad Bunny? And what are your thoughts on him being picked as the Super Bowl 60 halftime performer?